All right, real quick, Rodney, everybody's asking me what's going on with the deuce. All right, so anyway, there you go, man. You got it. All right. I like to joke around and say that I don't work on my bikes. I have projects that I work on. But anyway, I was needing another workbench, another lift, and went down to trusty old Harbor Freight. And man, the last time I bought a lift, it was $3.99. I got it on sale, got it for $2.99. I'm like, yeah, okay, that's a fair price, man. But now, you know, with everything, they're $599. I'm like, holy crap. So I was like, you know what I'm gonna do, man, is I'm just gonna make my own. So that's basically what I did. Was I made it with just spare wood that I had laying around the farm, and put some casters on it, and I got a couple little pieces of hardware. I put that on crooked, but I was probably drinking when I put it on. And then I got that wheel chalk. I think it was on sale for $49. I do actually have the Cushman. I am actually working on it. Going to rebuild the motor and stuff like that. I also put some casters on there. Harbor Freight, $4. And then what else I did was to put my ramps. I put them underneath here, store them away. They won't be in the way. What I am going to do is, because I do a lot of work by myself, what I'm going to do is, I've got this this winch. I bought it at a yard sale for $5. Yeah, I go to yard sales. Anyway, I'll build a little tiny, put a brace up here, and then I will be able to, I'll be able to winch my motorcycles and stuff like that up on the table. Be way easier for me, because I'm old and I ain't got the strength I used to have. But anyway, gotta think smart. I'm waiting for well, look who it is. What is that, 5/8?
Touch of red and an illusion that paints my stinging eyes. Can't seem to break this hardened ground. Now I am warmed by the coals on which I lay. Why would I try to stop you? I only know a little bit.
I tell you, man. Hard getting work done around here.
Oh my God. Scary. I'll do it again. Have you seen where the guy starts with the motor?
Might be buying a new one of these.
Well, I'm still trying to find the parts.
I'm gonna stay and love you. I hope that you'll be seeing it. I pray that nothing keep you from knowing all the truth of it someday. Concern, oh please, concern the left cozy delusion and wake me from his
If you can't fix it, what do you do?
I'll chop it out.
I was thinking if you just get a bigger hammer.
A bigger hammer?
Yeah, chop a rod with a bigger hammer. I wonder how many Cushman guys are out there screaming right now. What are you freaking doing? What the hell are you doing? We're Harley guys.
Watch this flat rope just shatter.
So it kind of went back down, man. What is that?
Of course, just as my camera shuts off, flywheel pops off. I thought we broke everything. You just had to use a bigger hammer. I basically stood there and watched. That was a pain in the butt. You know, one of the things on my channel that you don't really get to see is chopper rod stuff, man. This guy, he has some of the coolest. He's a hot rod guy, but he loves motorcycles. So he always has something cool, and every time he comes over, I swear, he always has something different. Always rides something different, but whatever, it's usually cool. Yeah, it's a Ford. Still love to have that thing though. Anyway, I gotta get back in there and go to work. All right, we are done for the day. It is getting, for you guys, beer 30. For old f***s like me and Rodney, it's Metamucil time. Right, Rodney?
That's right.
No, we're going to call it a day. We're kind of at a standstill as far as there is no longer a motor. We've taken the motor part. It's here. And it's over here. And so we're going to do a complete rebuild on it. And what's really cool is, I mean, you know, this motor is like freaking 70 years old. So it's kind of cool to look into technology from 70 years ago and see the difference between now and then. I wasn't born yet when this motorcycle was made. Rodney, how about you? Were you born?
No, not quite.
Yeah.
I was just a sparkle in my daddy's eye.
Ew. Anyway, we'll get it together. It's going to take some time, but I do work on projects. I just generally don't film them. Do you ever work on projects?
I do. I do work on projects. I just don't generally film them either.
All right, we're going to call it a day, and we'll get back to this. I'll probably do a video as we're doing it. You know, I'm not going to just put one long video out. So you'll see more of this build, Cushman. I know it's not a Harley, but it was made in America. Psst. Was made in America. So anyway, that's it. Anything else, Rodney?
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Got nothing for you.
I got nothing. All right, real quick, Rodney, everybody's asking me what's going on with the deuce. The deuce. All right, so anyway, there you go, man. You got it. All right, I'm sorry, man.
I'm getting motivated. I can say that.
You have a motor.
I do have a motor, and what's been holding me back is I got to clean up my shop and make some room. So that's what's holding me up, but I'm motivated. I'm going to get to it this week.
It's springtime. It's time to ride.
It is. It is. And my other bike's giving me problems, so.
Quit asking me questions about it because I don't know. It's up to him. All right. I have a red flashing light. That means my battery's going dead. Peace. That's it. I swear I'm not doing it no more. All right. Later.